side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you
Good afternoon, Mom. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to meet you again today. I truly appreciate your time and willingness to continue this interview with me. As previously mentioned, this interview is a continuation of task one, and today one will be proceeding with task 2 as part of my academic assessment. In the first task, we discussed several fundamental points, and through this second science, I would like to explore the topic more deeply and gain broader insight based on your experience and perspective. The purpose of this interview is not only to fulfill the assessment requirement, but also to help me improve my understanding of the subject, especially in relation to academic learning, professional development, and this relevance in relief situation. In belief, your explain and insight will be very valuable for my linear process. During the session, I will ask a number of questions that are connected to our previous discussion, as well as some new questions that I am to explain the topic further. If at any point my question are unclear, please feel free to ask for clarification, and I will be happy to explain. Once again, thank you for your time and cooperation, and I hope this interview can run smoothly and be beneficial for both academic and learning purpose. With that being said, I would like to begin to interview by asking my first question.
Tiga, oke.
Good afternoon, Mom. Thank you very much for giving me time for this interview.
Good afternoon. It's alright. I am happy to have
Before we start, Mom, I would like to know what first inspired you to become a lecturer, especially in your field. It seems like a profession that requires a lot of dedication.
Well, the interest started when I was still a student. I enjoyed explaining lessons to my classmates and really realized it. I loved discussing ideas. After debating, I would sit outside academic lab for a while, but I recommend because teaching gave me meaning. Helping students grow both personally and academically is something troubling for me.
That sounds very inspiring, Mom. From your experience, what challenges do most university students face?
Many students enroll independent in university. Many students independent in university. No one constantly reminds you about deadlines, practice, transition can be difficult at first.
Yes, that's true. Even my friends often say time management is the hard part.
Exactly, and students also try to balance many things once class, social life, sometimes work, some skills like discipline, communication, and teamwork become very important.
Speaking of that, do you think students today experience more pressure compared to the past?
Yes, the pressure is higher now. Social media causes comparison, information travel fast, and society keep increasing. Students sometimes feel like they must be perfect, but I always remind them that learning is a process. You don't have to rush.
Dah, sampai situ aja.
Panjang banget kalian.
Okay. Then concludes all the question I have prepared for this interview. Thank you very much, sir. Ulang. Okay. That concludes all the questions I have prepared for this interview. Thank you very much, Mom, for taking the time to answer my question and for sharing your valuable knowledge, experience, and perspective. Uh, through this interview, I have gained a deeper understanding of the topic, especially regarding its practical application in academic and professional context. The explanation you provide have been very insightful and will greatly support me in completing my achievement. I truly appreciate uh, your patterns, opinions, and willingness to share your knowledge. This interview has been a meaningful learning experience for me, and I believe the information I obtain will be very useful for my future studies. Uh, Once again, thank you for your comprehension and support. I apologize if there were any shortcoming during this interview. I hope we might have to opportunity to communicate again in the future. I wish you good health and peace day. Thank you very much.